extremely arrogant question to ask is, why should I learn this? Because when you say that, you are disregarding that piece of information. You're assuming that you already know everything there is to know. Therefore, what's the point of learning this new piece of information? But the problem is, the utility of a piece of information is only as useful as far as you're able to understand it. Which means that if you're too ignorant, then about every piece of information will be useless, because you would not know, or you would not be humble enough to think about how that piece of information could be helpful to you. So for example, you may be an engineer and you say, hey, I don't really need to communicate in my daily job. So what's the point of learning how to communicate more effectively? But then one day, a situation may arise where you have to communicate, and then you don't want to be regretting on that day. Or you may be someone who only focuses on soft skills and you think, what's the point of learning Microsoft Excel? But one day may arise where you have to make use of it, and when you don't have that skill and you don't have the money to outsource it, then you're going to struggle. So a good rule of thumb is that put in as much effort as you can learning as many things as you can, as long as it does not interfere with your main goals and priorities. We want to make sure that we maximize our potential so that we're as knowledgeable as we can. And what that means is that whenever we encounter something novel, we don't want to discard it immediately.